video, this video is show about how to use command copy in AutoCAD. We can use the copy command or shortcut CO to copy the object in AutoCAD. You can also copy object between drawing using the clipboard, Ctrl V or Ctrl C, or copy clip command. Now we have 4 ways to use copy command in AutoCAD. First, use shortcut CO or copy icon or modify panel. First, select the object you want to copy and use shortcut CO, press enter. We will show the displacement on command bar. Click on displacement, click on base point and copy by using specified length. Or we can use copy selection. Select the object, click on copy selection. Click on displacement on the base point to reference point. Click another reference point. Click and click. Move to another method by using copy plus array. First, select the object you want to copy using command CO. Click on base point and we will see the array command in the command bar. Input the number item of array by using the specified length. Now we start to use command clipboard as the copy base. First, select the object and right click and click on clipboard. Click on copy with base point. Now click on base point, Ctrl C to copy the object and Ctrl V to paste the object, and click the specified point of the object. Now we move to another way to use command copy by use command clipboard as a copy clip. First, select the object and use command copy clip. Now we can go to another drawing. Now we can use Ctrl V to copy the object from another drawing to the new drawing. Done. Please follow for more videos for civil engineering.